Are you good today? I hope so, and I'm also good. And my dad just recently purchased, bought me from Amazon a bow and arrow. So let's unbox it today. There we go. Unboxed it. Lots of tape. There we go. Let me just cut this tape also. Why are you crying, Bolu? Why? And here's the bow and arrow. So we got our bow and arrow. So let's also unbox it. Let's see if there's any opening without tape. Okay, we need to use it again. There we go. One. That's one tape cut. Two tapes cut. Three tapes cut. And four tapes cut. Now let's open it. Wow. I'll first show you the bow. Okay, the bow needs to be connected. It needs to be connected. I guess there's more parts. And arrow. We'll count how many arrows we got at the end. So, and some more parts of the arrow, as you can see over here. And I wonder what this is. This is for a pack of arrows. Like you put the arrows inside of here. So yeah. And then the target. The target. Like not the Target, like not the supermarket, but like a real Target. I wonder what this is. You can see from the picture. Oh, these are barrels, so we can hit them. But where are the other barrels? Yeah, there. And now we can tape these onto these barrels, and then we'll know, like this, which barrel we have to hit, and we can put them like in different type of shapes. Okay. So now let's unbox these and make it. They're not too tight to break, so they're good. Let's see where this is supposed to be good. Bolu, I want to see this. So this is supposed to be connected like this over here. This, and then the bow will be like that. Okay, let's put these on the board. Arrow. I wonder where the opening is. Oh. Okay, so it should be like this. No. I'll give you it later. Just let me just fix this and put it together. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yay, we got it together. Wow. This is kind of hard to do. Good. Now we can just do that. So here we put the arrow. Like that. like that. And then like that. See?
Mama.
Now, let's put the stickers on. You know how to open stickers, so I don't think this is a big problem for you guys. Or friends, I mean. Okay. It's going well. And also, these numbers are the points, as what I already know. I think. And 100. Good. This is just an extra rope. If this rope breaks, like that, that we can put for storage, maybe. Like inside of this, we maybe can put it like folded. So let's fold it. Good. Okay, that's a mess up. So I'm gonna fold it more. Now let's put it in there into our arrow bin. Good. Well, don't throw the arrows. You know someone can get hurt because maybe this part won't hurt, but this part might hurt. Yeah, this looks cool, right?
Yeah, I think. Oh.
I also made one at home. It's not as big as you think as this one, but it's also good. Okay, so we'll test it not too hard. So, wonder, is there any this stand or something? Is there any stand for this? Oh no. There's no stand. And this one you can also put like on your back. On your back, I mean. Like that. And you can take from back to there, but I don't like that, so I just keep like 3 arrows with me in my hand. Don't hit me, Bolu. It's not good to do it. Okay, so let me stand up because there's not a lot of space. So come over here. Okay, I'm gonna relax. Okay. So this or this you can do with it. So now let's get some arrows. 3 arrows. Now we'll have to make the screen bigger. Okay. This is like a hanging arrow. It's supposed to hang from somewhere. Where can? Is there any hanger?
Oh.
No. No hanger. Okay. Now while we count the arrows, as told as what we're going to do at the end, we should also put them into this basket. It's kind of tiny, but it don't matter. I thought it would be bigger. No. I'll have to go to that one. Oh yeah, I forgot counting. But that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we got 9 from there. We got 9 from over there, and the barrels are just flying around because of Bolu, but let me count. That was 9. And then that's 10. 10 arrows. Now we'll put this on the back, I think. Like that. Otherwise, we're just going to do it like that. It's not going to stay up, so we're going to put it like that. Let's put it. Oh yeah, this is a very dangerous thing. So we're going to put the arrow there. We're going to put the arrow there. Oh yeah, there's also lights on it.
Oh.
As I wonder, how do you put the lights on? Yeah, so there's a button over here that makes sound because there's lights.
Oh, Dad.
Well, how far can I stretch it? This much far
Oh.
before you rip it. And why are you getting all the air out of the bottom? One barrel. Just wait a second. Let me go get the other barrels. There, we got the other barrels. Clean up, I said. I say clean up. I say clean up. Now let's see if I can aim at these targets.
Oh, okay.
Not with a lot of force, but I'm just going to try. So if you like this video, then you should like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. That's the most important thing. And if you subscribe, we will be able to unbox more things. So please subscribe. And if you subscribe, that's a really big thank you. Thank you. Bye.